Good morning, grade 1, topic 4, lesson 5, lesson 4, 5, use addition to subtract. You will use addition facts to find subtraction facts. Please, page 255. 12 minus 9, is it addition or subtraction? It's subtraction. It has minus. How can you use a related fact to help you find the difference? Write the related addition and the subtraction facts. Use counters if you want to help you, okay? What are you asked to do? To use a related addition fact to solve 12 minus 9. If I ask you, grade 1, what number will be the sum of your related addition facts? The sum, the whole. 12, excellent. 12, you are right. Why? Because in subtraction, we start with the whole. In subtraction, we start with the whole. Everybody, do you know the bar model? Yes, you know it. So let us write up here the whole. The whole is 12. What is the part you know? The part I know is 9. What is the missing part? The missing part, I will draw the counters. We will count on after 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the missing number? The missing number is 3. So we started with 9. Then count on to reach 12. So 9 plus 3 equals 12. So the related addition fact is 9. Start with the first part, the part you know, which is 9 plus what is the missing part we got? We got 3. So 9 plus 3 equals the whole. What is the whole? The whole is 12. So 9 plus 3 equals 12. If I ask you about the related subtraction fact, the related subtraction fact, I start with the whole, the sum of the addition fact. The whole is 12 minus the part you know is 9, equals the missing part you got is 3. Clear? Okay. So again, I start with 9, count on to 12, so 9 plus 3 equals 12. Turn the page 256. Page 256. Look at the bridge, 13 minus 8. To solve 13 minus 8, do you need to find a part or a whole? A part, you are right, a part. I have already the whole here. We said in subtraction, we start with the whole. What number is the whole? Yes, correct, 13. What is the part you know? 8. The part I know is 8. Okay, so again, here you have the whole is 13, so which number is the sum in addition problem? What is the sum? The whole, we said before, the whole is the sum. The sum is the whole, okay? So which equation does this model show? Can you see the bar model? 13 minus 8 equals missing number. If I want to get the missing number, what you will do, you will subtract 13 minus 8 equals how many? Can you use the related addition fact? Yes, I will start counting on after 8 to reach 13. So how many more counters you will draw? I will draw 5 more counters. So 13 minus 8 equals 5. If I want to do the addition equation, 8 plus 5 equals 13. So again, what is the idea? If you will use subtraction, you will start with the whole 13 minus the part you know, 8 equals the missing part, we got 5. If you will do addition, you will add the two parts together to get the whole. The first part is 8 plus the other part is 5, so 8 and 5 equals 13. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Okay, so please, for any missing part, if you can do it quickly, it's okay. If you want to use the bar model, I don't mind. Use the bar model, it will really help you. Okay? So how can you use addition facts, to help you solve subtraction facts? If I know the two parts that make the whole, if I know the two parts that make the whole, I can tell what part will be left over when one part is subtracted from the whole. Okay, when one part is subtracted from the whole, I can tell what part will be left over. Here, the missing part. One more time. How could you use addition to solve 16 minus 9? I could think of what number plus 9 equals 16. Again, what number plus 9 equals 16? 16 is the whole. 9 is one part. We want to get the missing part, so we will think addition. How? We will ask ourselves, 9 plus how many equals 16? 9 plus how many equals 16? Okay, so 9 plus 7. I will start counting on after 9 to reach 16. So the missing number is 7. Okay? Again, one more time. 17 minus 9. Look at number 2, page 256. 17 minus 9. So we will ask ourselves, what number plus 9 equals 17? What number plus 9 equals 17? What will be the answer? You will start counting after 9 to get 17. So start drawing after 9. What after 9? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many circles you drew? Let us count again one more time. I have 9. I want 17 in all. So after 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, okay, count on please. Okay, to reach how many? We want to reach 70. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is number 8. Okay, the missing part, it's 8. Turn the page, page 257, page 257. Always remember, you will ask yourself, what is the whole? The whole is 13. What is the part you know? The part I know is 9. So what is the missing part? I start counting after 9 to reach 13. So start counting with the part you know. Okay? Then count on to get the sum. Clear the rule? Again, what you will do, you will ask yourself, what is the whole? The whole is 13. What is the part I know? The part I know is 9. So what is the missing part? Start with the part you know, count on to get the sum. So 9 plus how many equals 13? After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many more? 4. So 9 plus 4 equals 13. One more time. 10 plus how many? Did you hear me? I said 10 plus how many equals 20. We want to complete each model, then complete the equations. Okay? So 10 plus, we know doubles, Miss Iman. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. So what is the missing part? The missing part is 10. 7 plus how many equals 15? 7 plus how many equals 15? We know, we'll ask ourselves, what is the whole? It's 15. What is the part you know? 7. So what is the missing part? I will start counting. Start with the part, you know, I start at 7 and then count on to get 15. So here you will have 8. 8 is the missing part. So what is the missing part? The missing part is 8. Again, a circle plus a square equals a triangle. Ask yourself, the bar model, always the bar model. What is the whole? The whole is the triangle. So here in subtraction, I start with the whole, the triangle, minus one part, any part. I here put a square, equals the other part. What is the missing part from this equation? Yes, correct. It's the circle. The circle is missing. So here I will draw the circle. One more time. Here it's subtraction equation. Subtraction equation. I will start in subtraction equation with the whole. Minus one part equals the other part. If you will ask yourself, what is the whole in subtraction equation? Okay, Mrs. Iman, we know that we start with the whole. So here the whole is the sum. The whole is the sum. So I'll put it after equal in the addition equation. We know it's the sum. One part is the rectangle, the orange rectangle. What about the other part? It's again orange rectangle. I think doubles, yes? Doubles, they are the same. Yes, you are right. You are right. So here we will draw the rectangle, orange rectangle. I don't have orange now, so I will use here, or give me 1 minute. Can make it orange. I will make it orange for you. Okay, so it will be clear here. Yes. I can hear one of you because a smart student, he will say doubles, Miss Iman. Then we here for number 6 and 7, can we substitute these shapes with numbers? So, Mrs. Iman, we will be sure 100% that we answered correct. Yes, you can do double check. No problem. Do double check. How we will do double check? Let me show you. If I will use numbers instead of the shapes. For example, if I will say here 2, let's say 2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 3. Yes, correct. Equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the triangle is 5. Yes. The square is 3. And the circle is 2. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. Are we correct? Yes. Perfect. Let us also use here another equation. If I will say that this rectangle is 4 minus 2 equals how many, grade 1? Equals 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. As you can see, I did it doubles because I have the same rectangle. So here I have plus, okay? So here 2 plus 2 equals the blue rectangle, 4. Am I correct? Yes. So again, for this type of questions, you will also use the bar model. If you will use the bar model, it will be very easy for you. Let me show you. If I will tell you here, I have the whole, I will do it for this problem, number 6. I have the whole, and then I will draw the two parts here. Okay. Here, the two parts. Yes. So I have up, what is the whole? We said the whole is the triangle. So I know that the whole is the triangle. What are the two parts? The two parts, the circle and the square. Let us do the equation. For addition, I will add the two parts together to get the whole. What are the two parts? The square plus the circle equals the triangle. If I want to do subtraction, the whole, the triangle, minus the part I know, the square, equals the other part, which is circle. Yes, correct. Okay, here, let me just draw it properly. Again, we said here, okay, here, as we said, the whole is, I don't have, let me just draw it using the marker, the triangle. I have the triangle, and then the two parts, one is circle, and the other part is square. Okay, turn the page, one more page please, one more page, and it's the last page, page 257. There are 17 robot parts in a box. So again, underline the information. Here we know that there are 17 robot parts in a box. So what is the whole? The whole is 17. Draw the bar model. Okay, here. So what is the whole now for our math story? We have 17. We have 17. 17 is the whole. Fred uses some of the parts. Some. When I see the word some of the parts, so there is a missing part. We don't know how many. We don't know how many. So again, here we have in all 17. He used some. Fred used some. We don't know. Some we don't know. Now there are 8 left. So we know the other part, it's 8. 8. So how many parts did Fred use? Okay, how many parts did Fred use? How can you find the missing part? I will start with the part I know. What is the part you know? It's 8. Plus, how many equals 17? What you will do, you will count on after 8 to reach 17. So after 8, start counting. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many more? 9. 9 more. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. If you want to do subtraction, you will start with the whole. The whole minus one part. What is the part? It's 8 equals the other part, which is the part you got, 9. One more time. Maria invites 10 friends to her party. 3 can't come. So again, how many friends altogether she invited? She invited 10. So where you will put 10? I know 10 is the sum of the addition equation, and 10 is the whole, the greater number in subtraction equation. 3 can't come. So I know that one part is 3. One part is 3. So how many friends will not be able to come? 3 plus how many equals 10? I count on after. Again, I will count on after 3 to reach 10. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more? 7. So 7 will not come. 7. So here we know 7 friends will not come. And here we know how many parts. We said 9. Again, we will do number 10. Complete the subtraction equation with 11. Then write a related addition fact. Here I know in subtraction we start with the whole, which is the sum in addition equation. So 11 will be the sum in the addition equation. In subtraction equation, we start with it. We want to know 2 parts to make 11. One will say 10 and 1. So 10 plus 1 or 11 minus 10 equals 1. Another student will say 5 plus 6. So he will write here 5 plus 6 and then here 5, here 6. Another student will say 8 plus 3. Yes, all correct. What I want you to do, use any two parts to make 11. So if I will use 8 plus 3, so 11 minus one part equals the other part. Clear? Last time. Write an addition fact that will help you to solve this subtraction fact. 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7. We know, Mrs. Ina. We know here in subtraction, we start with the whole. The whole in subtraction equation, it's the sum in addition equation. Then, what is the part I know? The part I know is 7. So what is the missing part? I will count on after the part I know to get the whole or the sum. So 7 plus how many equals 13? 7 plus, start counting after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 6 equals 30. We finished. Please do your homework. It's easy lesson. Just remember one rule. In subtraction equation, we start with the whole, which is the sum in addition equation. Here, after equal. In subtraction equation, the whole minus one part equals the other part. In addition equation, part 1 plus part 2 equals the whole, or we call it sum. Clear? When there is a missing part, you will ask yourself, the part I know plus how many equals the sum? You will start counting on after the part you know to get the sum. Thank you, grade 1. Do your homework. Have a nice weekend. Assalamu alaikum.